How to power off your Samsung device without power button. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn off your Samsung device without the power button. First thing you're going to have to do is, the easiest way is to swipe down to your notification panel, swipe down again, and once your notification or your control panel is extended, you'll find the power menu option right up top, right beside settings. Tap on the power option and your power menu will pop up on your screen. You can directly power off from here. This is the first method. The second method you can try to do is go to your settings. Then from here you can just go ahead and scroll down to accessibility, go to interaction and dexterity, and then turn on the assistant menu. Just go ahead and tap on it and then turn this one on. Now this menu will pop up on your screen. So what you're gonna have to do is tap on this, and then you could just go ahead and swipe to the side. You'll find the power off menu right. Just tap on it and your power off menu will pop up on your screen. So these are some of the ways that you can use to power off your phone without the power button. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.